Hi, I'm Dan with Quality Coatings. Here in Fort Wayne, your garage is more than just a place to park. It's an extension of your home. Preparation starts with our industrial diamond grinding. It's powerful, precise, and completely dust-free. Next, we apply a high-strength epoxy base that bonds deep into the concrete, creating a rock-solid foundation for your new floor. Then, we broadcast your choice of decorative flakes, creating a customized high-traction finish that's as tough as it is beautiful. We finish it with a high-gloss polyaspartic top coat, chemical-resistant and built to last. Whether you're showcasing a prize collection in a luxury showroom or just protecting your investment, we deliver results that shine right here in Fort Wayne. To heavy-duty workshops and organized storage spaces, we transform every square foot of your garage into a space you'll actually love to spend time in. Give your garage the quality it deserves. Call Quality Coatings today for a free estimate, and let's transform your floor together, Fort Wayne. We're ready when you are. Hi,